A major snowstorm is continuing to cause serious problems across much of the U.S. eastern coast. Road, rail and air travel have been severely disrupted. Nearly 2,500 flights were cancelled yesterday in Virginia alone. More than 150,000 homes and businesses in 9 states are without power. Virginia has mobilized the National Guard and called a state of emergency after experiencing wet, heavy snow and rainfall. At least 4 people have died in road traffic accidents. The National Weather Service has called off winter warnings, however, for Washington after warm Atlantic air lessened the storm's impact in the capital area.